Ever stop and really think about it? Just 365 days, one single year, 52 weeks, a mere 8,760 hours. That's all that stands between the you right now and a completely, radically different life. A life you might not even fully imagine. Yeah, but here's the damn truth, the kick in the pants you need. That transformation, it doesn't magically appear next month. It won't conveniently roll around next week, and definitely not with the wishful thinking of tomorrow. It ignites right here, right now, with one gut-level decision. I've seen it. I've witnessed the shift. People chained to those soul-crushing desk jobs, breaking free and carving out dream careers that set their souls on fire. I've seen the defeated, the ones on the verge of throwing in the towel, dig down deep and shatter those self-imposed limits. I've seen the I can'ts crumble into dust as I did its rise in their place. This isn't some fairy tale, it's the raw power of human potential unleashed. Will there be moments that feel like a punch to the gut? Absolutely. Will you stumble? Will you face setbacks that make you question everything? Count on it. Life throws curveballs. That's not the exception, that's the damn rule. But here's the secret, the defining factor. It's not about avoiding the falls. It's about the grit you show getting back up, dusting yourself off, and stepping back into the arena. What truly defines you isn't the absence of struggle, it's your unwavering commitment to showing up for yourself day after grueling day. It's about that quiet, fierce belief that flickers within you, even when the whole damn world seems to doubt your every move. That potential for greatness? It's not some external prize you need to chase. It already lives, breathing and waiting inside your very core. Stop lying to yourself. It's not about finding more time in the day. We all get the same 24 hours. The game changer isn't wishing for more, it's about seizing the hell out of the time you have, starting now. So let me ask you a question that deserves your honest, gut-level answer. Imagine you could stand face to face with the you of 1 year from today. What would you desperately want to tell that person? What advice would you scream across that 1 year divide? Don't let another 365 days bleed into the past, filled with the gnawing what ifs. Your future self isn't some distant stranger, they're counting on the decision you make in this very instant. The time for that monumental shift, that life-altering change, it's not lurking in some hazy tomorrow, it's pounding at your door today. And it all starts with you. That single, powerful decision to rise, to begin, to become, now.